Zooming into GBP USD chart on the 1 minute time frame, we shall be looking for our killer market structure and areas of confluence for our perfect setup today. To see and learn more of these setups, join our premium group for live analysis, signals, and trading. You can also check out our premium BYBT strategy trading course. The links will be dropped in the description. Let's dive in. So, market structure is always the backbone of our strategy. So, using market structure, we shall identify our impulse, this sharp movement to the downside, and that sharp movement to the downside is creating a level of support. Having that level of support, it is giving us a pullback. And if you look at this pullback is still respecting the previous zone of resistance, and that is making this our first lower high. Having our lower high here forming a level of resistance, there we get another sharp impulse to the downside, creating another level of support at that point. So with these two impulses that we are having in the market, these are showing us that sellers are in control of the market. We shall identify this point here as our area of confluence, because we are having multiple factors at that point. We have our change of structure creating a lower low here. We are having a previous zone of resistance, and we are also having the market coming back, retesting at that point. To confirm our downtrend that we are having, we are going to join this point here and this point here. So for visual purposes, we are going to add our trend line joining those 2 points, and this trend line is showing us the path in which the downtrend is going to be following. If you look at this point here, the trend line is also aligning with our area of confluence. So this is making this zone a very strong area of confluence. So having all those factors at that point, we can have a rejection coming from a trend line. We are having also the rejection coming from this area of resistance. Then we get a momentum candle of sellers forming to the downside. So that would be our last confirmation for us to join the sellers. We shall get our stopper entry on the closure of that candle. Our stop loss is going to be above our area of confluence, and we can aim for a downside. If you like more of these setups, please subscribe and join the BYBT army. So let us see how it played out. Very nice push to the downside. You can put in the comment section any other type of video you'd love us to see, and see you in the next one. BYBT strategy, be a best trader.